Hi everyone, my name is Akasha, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make that cloud bread that you might have been seeing going around on TikTok. So you're going to need a couple ingredients. Let's go ahead and start off with 3 egg whites, some cornstarch, and some sugar. The sugar that I had on hand looked like this. I think it's like a cane sugar or something. It's not like regular sugar. And optional is food coloring and vanilla extract. So I did this like the previous night, and I messed up. So this is me trying the first batch because I messed up measurements, and then I tried to like revive it the next day with this electric mixer thing that I bought. I forget what this is called. It's not even it's an immersion thing. Okay, so basically I bought this and I tried to revive my mix, and that didn't work out, so I had to start over. So what you're gonna need to do is get your 3 egg whites and separate the egg white and the egg yolk. I kind of tried to show you how to do it here, but I know that my hand is like out of the camera view. So just crack the egg and try to keep the yolk between the 2 shells, and just like go back and forth and get all the white through like the crack of the 2 shells, if that makes sense. So my mom gave my sister our electric mixer, so I had to spend $20 to buy this thing for you guys because they were sold out of electric mixers and I couldn't find one. So okay, go ahead and get out 2 spoons, tablespoon and a teaspoon. So you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of sugar, and go ahead and mix that up. Just whisk, whisk, whisk. And you know, this probably would work with a regular whisk. I just imagine it would take more time. So I added it to a bowl with a pinch of salt, and then I went ahead and whisked it again. And then go ahead and add 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And then go ahead and mix it up again. I added a dash of vanilla extract just to give it a cute little vanilla flavor. So there we go. And I put in blue dye. I put in a little too much because clearly I forgot that dye is this intense. So it's blue food coloring, which is optional of course. And then at this point you take a pan and you line it with parchment paper, but I didn't have any, I ran out, so I had to improvise. So I just greased my pan, which worked out fine. The bottom was a little crispy, but it was fine. Go ahead and just start to mold out whatever shape you want. You could do a square, you could do a circle, you could do a cloud, and then put it in the oven 300 degrees for about 25-ish minutes, and you're done. This is how it looks in the end, and I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next one, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.